Alright, I have silver pinstripe. I mean, it doesn't look bad. There are tons of these 126s that look just like this. I'm guessing it was like a dealer add-on thing. So I'm going to try a heat gun first to get rid of that. I'm going to set it to low. I'm going to try and do like maybe a foot at a time. Well, it's working. With the heat gun and this plastic razor, the tape comes off really easy. I just heat like a foot at a time and it just comes right off. But it's leaving a lot on there. I'm just hoping that the chemical takes that off, because I tried reheating this and it doesn't do much. Well, next I'm going to be using the Goo Gone with a white paper towel so it doesn't transfer any color on there. I'm just going to wipe this on. Not really scrub it that much, just get the material on here. And then let it set up for 10-15 minutes. This has been on here for 10 minutes. And yeah. Well, that's coming off nice actually. There's a big chunk right here. Let's see. Well, I just put on multiple applications of the Goo Gone. You can see a dark spot there, and then the razor again. This plastic razor works really good. See the spot right there, but it's pretty thin now. It'll just rub out with this cotton cloth. You're left with like a ghost image of the stripe. It's darker. I have some mild rubbing compound. I'm going to try that first by hand. I use this turtle wax rubbing compound. It's kind of mild, and it basically didn't do anything but make it shiny. I can still see the pattern. You know, it's just not the end of the world though. Well, I got it all off, and this thing just looks 100% better. Looks like it's not stuck in the 80s anymore, that stupid pinstriping.